Hey guys, today we're going to be continuing the coordinate geometry unit and we're going to be learning about midpoint. What is midpoint? Midpoint is exactly what it sounds like and it is the middle between 2 points. Alright, so the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 over 2, which is our x coordinate, and y1 plus y2 over 2, which is our y coordinate. Alright, so let's find the midpoint of AB. I know that midpoint starts with a parentheses, but first let's find our coordinates. So A is negative 5, 3. B is 3, 3. Now let's set up our midpoint formula. But before we do that, we need to find our x1s, y1s, and our x2s and y2s. Perfect. Now we plug that into our formula. So we know x1 plus x2 is negative 5 plus 3 over 2. y1 plus y2, 3 plus 3 over 2. If we simplify that, negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2 over 2. Y, 3 plus 3 over 2 is 6 over 2. Negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. And 6 over 2 is 3. So that is our midpoint. Now we can plot that, and we can look for negative 1, 3 on the graph. So our midpoint would not be there, that is negative 2, 3. Our midpoint would be here, that is negative 1, 3. Alright, let's do another one, but this time you do the work and come back when you have your answer. So we'll write down our coordinates first. For A, our coordinate is negative 5, negative 3. And for B, our coordinates are 5, 1. Then if we plug it all into our midpoint formula, we eventually get our midpoint to be 0, negative 1. And if we plot that, it would be right here. So that's our point. Okay, so this time we only have the coordinates and we don't have the actual line. So we need to plug this first one in, and we would get 3 plus 3 over 2 for x and 1 plus 7 over 2 for y. 3 plus 3 is 6, divided by 2 is 3. 1 plus 7 is 8, divided by 2 is 4. So that is our coordinate. Our midpoint is 3, 4. For this next one, TV, do it on your own. Come back when you have the answer. If we plug all of these points in for a midpoint formula, we would eventually get our answer. For x, we would get 2. And for y, our coordinate would be 2.5. Find the middle of KL if K is negative 1, negative 3, and L is 5, 5. Okay, so we're going to plug these coordinates in for our midpoint formula, and we would get negative 1 plus 5 over 2 for x, and negative 3 plus 5 over 2 for y. Then we would do the math. Negative 1 plus 5 is 4, over 2 is 2, and negative 3 plus 5 is 2, over 2 is 1, so 2, 1 is our midpoint. Alright guys, that is it for this video. This was Midpoint. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll catch you later. Bye!